Hello friends, welcome to the Techlisan channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOKZOE A2 Ultra Gaming Handheld. So friend, upcoming A2 Ultra Gaming Handheld will not be powered by AMD Ryzen processor but instead by the Intel Core Ultra architecture. Despite the visual resemblance to the previously discussed AMD Ryzen 7040U based version, the A2 Ultra will incorporate the Intel Meteor Lake architecture, featuring an entirely different CPU and GPU design. And friend, today the company has officially announced the new handheld with full showcase of specification. And friend, it's worth noting that the A2 series has previously featured processors from the Ryzen 6000U and 7000U series, making this the third architecture to be introduced under this series. AOKZOE affirms that the Intel 4 processor and XeLPG architecture will deliver strong gaming performance, and compared to previous Intel GPU architecture, performance has nearly doubled, offering significantly improved power efficiency and lower power consumption. At the same time, one must add the Raptor Lake was hardly used by any handheld maker, mainly due to its poor GPU performance. Additionally, the handheld is designed to operate with a thermal design power TTP of up to 35 watt and slightly exceeding that of the glow, which operated 28 watts. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.